I'm super tired. So I stayed up so late last night doing a lot of schoolwork that I have due today, probably till like 12:30, and I'm usually out by like 9. So, and right now it's about 6. I'm eating breakfast. Today's my super long day. I'm out so I have to be at the gym from about 7 to 11. I leave for class till about 3, and I'm at the gym, back at the gym until 9:30 tonight. So today's like a super long day for me, but I wanted to take you through a full day of eating just to show you how I get my meals in, how I still make it work. I'm not working out today just because I don't have time, and that's okay. Life happens. But I wanted to take you through a full day of eating, show you my meals, especially now that, you know, I'm on this healing track. This really isn't much different than what I would usually eat, because I haven't eaten with the nutritionist yet. But I wanted to show you what I'm eating for breakfast. I just showed you my morning cocktails, I guess you could say, and kind of my routine, my supplements that I now have to take every single morning. So this is breakfast. We have 20 grams of PEScience vanilla protein, 40 grams of gluten-free oats, chia seeds, and blueberries all together. I have some black coffee. I'm going to take one of these. GI support. So this is so great for bloating. I find it great, especially when you have pretty carb-heavy meals. It really helps digest them. And then I've been having to keep a food diary for Sinagra, putting all my meals, exactly what I ate. I've been tracking my poop because it was that's my issue. So I figured may as well just keep track of it. I know it's a smart thing to do because then you can just like go right back to, you know, target exactly like what may have caused like constipation or diarrhea or anything like that. So if you are dealing with those things, keep a food diary, and not even food diary, a poop diary, a feces diary, whatever kind of excretion diary you want to call it, and monitor your poop because it's so important, the consistency, the color, things like that. So I'm gonna eat this, and I gotta get ready for work, so I'll catch in with you later. Okay, about to leave for work. Gotta grab my meals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already ate breakfast, so that's 5 more meals for today. I'm literally out of the house today until like 10 at night. So that's gonna be everything, and stay tuned to see what's inside of them. So we've got meal number 2 going down. I cooked this before, and I'll show you what it is. So, 2 eggs. We've got some spinach under here with sliced carrots, or shredded carrots rather. So eat this. It's about 8:30 right now, 9 actually. I'm at work, and let's eat. Back in the car, of course, because what else is new? In my class is about 45 minutes from my house, or from my job rather. So I was just listening to a podcast. I do love Ben Greenfield Fitness, if you guys don't know. Also, the Model Health Show is great. And I was just listening to Barbell Shrugged. Usually, like, in my commute to class, or any, like, clients or anything like that, I just throw on a podcast just to fuel my mind. I hate wasting time. So why, you know, mindlessly drive from one place to the other when you can be learning something? You can be absorbing something, motivating yourself, just learning something new. Throw in a podcast, you know? Driving
doesn't have to be wasted time, although as annoying as it is to just sit on your ass in a car and drive somewhere. But throw on a podcast, you know, like learn something, educate yourself. That's your time to do it. You know, don't waste 2 hours out of your day just sitting in a car listening to Top 40. You know, put on something that's going to make you better. But I'm about to eat my next meal. Meal 3. Yes, it's about 11:30. It is sweet potatoes, crock-pot chicken that I made with like this like Thai seasoning. It's really good. Brussels sprouts, and I have walnut oil on here, and I just shook it all up. So let's eat. Almost forgot to show you what I was eating. I have some spring mix, guac, crock-pot chicken, quinoa, red cabbage, and some lemon just to add some moistness, I guess. And I'm gonna eat this. So I have some time back at the house, so I made some oats. I was gonna have some salmon, but I was really craving something sweet, so I made oats. Essential. So I have 20 grams of this and 40 grams of oatmeal and chia seeds. So I'm in between clients right now, super quick, gotta eat my last meal. I'm gonna head to the fridge. And pat on my back, I was a good girl, and I brought my fish oil and vitamin D in a little container to keep in the fridge, and my subs that have to be kept in the fridge. And knocked everybody's stuff over. So I have about 2 minutes before my client gets here. This is what I'm eating. We have sweet potatoes, broccoli, crock-pot chicken, and walnut oil. I'm gonna heat that up. And I hate to rush out of here, but I gotta go train my client. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kind of day in the life type of thing. What I eat, how I stay on track every single day, prep my meals, everything like that. So, thank you for clicking on the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.